sorry.
The president, the impeachment.
Well, yes, maraming nagtatanong kung dahil ako ang majority leader, kung ano ang aking role. You know, we need to remind people, Congress is constitutionally bound to hear these cases for anyone, for any impeachable officer, whether that is the president or not. So, sa mga nagsasabi na baka kaharangin niya yung impeachment or whatever, I cannot do that. And I have to perform my duty as majority leader and perform my duty to the Constitution and my mandate. And that is to say that I cannot stop any impeachment complaint from being referred to the floor or to any or to the Committee on Justice. We have to let the process. We have to let the process do its. We have to go through the process rather. And again, the President in Malacanang has stated that he's confident na wala naman siyang ginawang mali. And I share the same sentiment. So I will not be stopping or blocking any impeachment bill.
Did you talk to the President with regarding the impeachment?
Actually, to tell you the truth, hindi pa kami nag-usap tungkol dyan.
Sir, at least
Tatlo yung ano, sir?
sinasabi nila na ano.
Tatlo na yung naisampa, sir. Paano nyo i-treat yung
I'm not sure how many have been. I haven't been following, but I believe so.
Yung second at third yata, sir, hindi rin-receive sa House, sa Secretary General. Wala siya.
Tanungin nyo na yung SecGen. I'm not privy to that information.
This early sir, sinasabi nila mababaw daw ang mga grounds. Trabaho lang naman ng presidente yun.
I'm sorry.
Sinasabi niya ang mga tao na nakakausap namin, mababaw ang mga grounds
Well,
ng
I haven't read the
impeachment.
complaint, so hindi ako makakomment dyan.
So yung bilang, sir, kayo ay positibo na may bilang kayo, sir, sa mayorya?
Yes, sir.
Again, hindi naman ako nakiusap sa mga miyembro, hindi naman ako nagtatanong. I don't think we're at that stage yet. Again, it still has to be referred to the floor and to the Committee on Justice. And bilang majority leader, hanggang dyan ang aking trabaho. So, may tiwala naman tayo kay Chair Jinky Luistro, who is the chairwoman of the Committee on Justice. So, it will fall on her and its members to ascertain the merits of the said complaints.
Sir, lastly, message ninyo sa mga taga Ilocos Norte.
Ay nako, unang-una,
It's been a while.
yeah, miss ko talaga sila. We've been busy at the house, but any opportunity that I have to come back, I always do. And rest assured na tuloy-tuloy ang serbisyo this 2026.
Thank you po.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po.